Wow, when you think things can get worse, it definitely can, especially with these Chinese stocks. I have said many times in the past that these gaps are going to get filled, and I didn't even buy any puts. I've lost so much money getting in at the wrong time. What was the point of this going all the way to 117 for it to come right back down? I hope people made money on the run up and stayed out. My goodness, this has just been a nightmare. And you will hear people say, just hold. Have you heard of opportunity costs? A stock that doesn't go anywhere, you're stuck. Whereas if you have put money in a stock that actually went up, you would make money. What are we here for? Are we here to make money, or are we here to lose money? Because apparently I'm here to keep losing money. I knew it. Look at, went right back down, filled those gaps. We have earnings tomorrow, and people are betting on earnings to do well. Well, let me give you something. JD Rich reported earnings this morning. It was decent. And look where the stock is at. It's down almost over 4%. Let me take a look. JD quarter 3 earnings, revenue beats forecast amid consumer rebound, highlights supply chain strength, and boom, down we go. So why do people think that Alibaba has earnings beats, that's going to go up? If you have looked at the 5 previous earnings report, what happened? The stock sold off. This time we didn't get a run up. Isn't it strange that Alibaba is reporting on Friday instead of Thursday? And remember 2 days ago when I made a video on Alibaba venting and I mentioned JD, there's gaps that needed to get filled. And here we are. And I said, they're probably going to wait until earnings for it to drop. Wow. What do you know? You have to have patience with these Chinese stocks. But even with patience, are you really making money? I know for sure a lot of people bought into Alibaba when it was above 100. Now we have created many bag holders. So what's it going to be that's going to take us back above 100? We know it's not earnings. We know it's not share buybacks. We know it's not their fundamentals. So what is it going to be, guys? I am so sick and tired. I'm not doing this just for fun. I actually lost so much money. Like, you have no idea. Money that I could have bought down for a house. I could have bought a nice car, some nice meals, but I'm over here stressing day and night, looking at the Hong Kong market, look at the US market, Hong Kong market, US market. And it's the same crap. Really, it is really the same crap. Let's just take a look at this chart. This 1 year chart. Same thing. Back in April, went to a low 69, went to 90, came right back down, consolidated, went to 117, came right back down. And I am scared of earnings. I don't know if you are, but let me tell you, earnings doesn't matter. The stock will drop. Just take a look at the 5 previous earnings report. What happened? And there are still people out there a little bit delusional. I'm delusional too. This is why I'm lost so much money in these stocks and I can't get out of it. That they're saying, oh, Alibaba went up during the Trump administration. No, it went up because it was during the pandemic and every single stock, Chinese, US, meme stocks, they all went up. Has nothing to do with the Trump administration. Whew. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Let's take a look at these options chain. High implied volatility. Oh, it's inflated. These options are inflated, guys. We have the 90 strike puts, 4,800 volume traded, and then the 100 strike puts the 100 strike calls, 12,000. You know how much people lost on these calls? Quite a bit. These are at its lowest today. It was once worth $20. Ooh, at its highest. And now 35 cents. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people bought in when it was about 250, even 5, I'm sure. Man. And you will hear people say, why get into US overvalued stocks and get into these undervalued stocks? Again. Alibaba doesn't trade on fundamentals, and that is why it's under 100 to this day. Even with share buybacks, it's still under 100. I don't know. I would love to see it go to 150. I really do. But is that even possible? No, it's not. That's it. Let's see. Tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow's the earnings. We still have another gap here. It would be really, really ugly if it gets there. I don't know. I don't know what's going to bring these Chinese stocks up again. People say stimulus. Well, the stimulus didn't help, did it?